Happy holidays everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys what I got for Christmas. So I have a few items from Chanel, something from Cleef Arpels, and also a few other goodies too. So I'm very excited to unbox this stuff for you. Some of the stuff I've had just sitting in their boxes for like over a month, close to 2 months at this point, so I'm very excited to finally unbox them and use them. And yeah, let's get into this video. So the first item that I want to show you guys is actually one that I've already unboxed in a previous video, like maybe around 2 weeks ago, kind of like as an early Christmas unboxing, because I was just like so excited to open it and share it with you guys. But I wanted to show it here because it technically is something that I got for Christmas, and it is this really gorgeous tweed mini rectangular from Chanel. And it's got all these different colors in it. It's so pretty in my eyes, at least. I think this is a little bit of like a polarizing pick in a way. You either love this type of tweed or not. And I've actually featured this in like another video since the unboxing already. It was a video I did with my husband where he was basically ranking my designer handbags, and he hates this. It's one of his like least favorite handbags in my collection. So yeah, definitely a bit of a polarizing one. And I also wanted to include it in this video because I didn't actually show mod shots in the unboxing of this bag. So I'll insert those in this video because there were a few of you guys that were interested in that. And you can wear this like a few different ways. So you can do just over your shoulder or crossbody, or there's two pretty simple ways for you to kind of like shorten the strap on this bag. So there's a few different ways to wear this, and I'll show mod shots for every single way that is possible without having like a little tool to shorten the strap. So yeah, I've been just really enjoying looking at this bag. I have no real intention of wearing this until the springtime, but it's just so pretty to look at in my opinion. I love all these different colors on this bag. And yeah, if you're interested in seeing the unboxing where like you can see like more videos and shots of this bag close up, I'll leave that linked up here for you guys. But yeah, don't want to talk too much about this because I think it'll get a little bit redundant. So this is the first item that I got for myself for Christmas. And then let's see, let's move on to the item from Cleef Arpels next. So it is in this box right here. This is the item that I've kind of had sitting in the box for the longest without opening it, basically waiting until I came and filmed this video. It's a little bit surprising how like this, I basically couldn't wait to unbox it, but this I had a little bit more self-control, but that doesn't mean that I don't like this as much as the bag. I think this is also absolutely gorgeous. So it is a bracelet, and I think if you watched the vlog where I purchased this bracelet, you probably kind of like have a hint at what this is. So it is one of the 5 motif Alhambra bracelets, and here it is. It's the guilloche 5 motif bracelet. It's so gorgeous. This is in the white gold, which is a recent release of theirs. So now I do have both the yellow gold guilloche as well as this white gold one. It's just so stunning. It's a completely different look from the yellow gold guilloche motif. This just completely looks like a disco ball. That kind of like shiny finish shows up even more on the white gold than it does the yellow gold. How stunning is that, right? It's so shiny. I absolutely love it, and I haven't played around with it yet, but I feel like maybe I could combine both of these bracelets and kind of like make a choker necklace with it. I haven't tried it out yet, but I'm thinking I could potentially do that, and that would be, you know, like another way to make use of these bracelets. They do sell like the 10 motif necklaces, but I think this will be a little bit shorter when you combine 2 bracelets. So I'm not entirely sure if it's going to work, but I'll try that out. And if it works, that's definitely another way that I plan on wearing this. And it's It's so pretty, right? So this is the second item that I got myself for Christmas. So next, I guess let's move on to what my husband got me. And usually he's not really big on getting me like luxury stuff for like my birthday or Christmas. He does it sometimes, but usually he gets me something else that he know I'll really love too. And these two t-shirts that he got me, I just absolutely love them. So we watch animes together. There are a few that we are huge fans of. So he got me a few t-shirts from Uniqlo that have kind of like different scenes or characters from a few of our favorite animes on it. So the first one is from this anime called Naruto. This is the first one. So this is all the Akatsuki in that anime. The only real character I like as part of like the evil people in the show is Itachi. He's like my favorite character in this. And it was between this t-shirt with him on it and this other one that had this like really heartbreaking scene with him in it. And I like this one better because it's not a sad scene. So that's why we went for this one. I was there when he picked these out, and he actually, I should have mentioned this before, but these are actually matching t-shirts. So I have one and he also has one of the same one. So this is the first one. The back is just plain over here. It's just a black t-shirt. And yeah, this is just, it's like a really thoughtful present. I really like it. And actually the funny thing is when we got this t-shirt, when he got these t-shirts for us, we were looking for a different kind of like collection of these like anime related t-shirts at Uniqlo. So what we were actually there looking for was the Spy Family t-shirts. So this is what we ended up picking up. So I did kind of like a 2022 yearly favorites video recently. I'll leave it linked up here if you're interested. And in that video, I mentioned that this anime Spy Family was one of my favorite shows of this year. Not just favorite show, but just like favorites of this year in general. It's just so funny. I would love to be like in that world observing this family because they're just so hilarious. So when we saw that Uniqlo was doing these t-shirts, this collection, we basically ran over shortly after the release date to get these. So we decided to go with this one, which has this little pocket here with the little doggo from the show. His name's Bond. So he's on the little pocket here, and then in the back it says Spy Family on it. And yeah, this is so adorable. Might be a little bit of an unknown fact about me that I watch animes because like my channel is mostly luxury focused, but yeah, just sharing another little tidbit about me. This is so adorable. And obviously he also has a matching one of the same t-shirt. And then I guess, wow, this is kind of fast. We're on to the final item. So it is also from Chanel. Is this facing the right way? Yes, it is also from Chanel right here. It's got the holiday packaging on it. So it has this special ribbon as well as this little pearl button or whatever on the front over here. And this is a little bit of a different item for me because, well, I'll tell you right now, it's costume jewelry, and I don't usually go for like costume jewelry in general, but this is just, it's so adorable, and I don't have anything in this category yet either. It's just so adorable, and you'll see once I open it why I think so. So it is a brooch, and this is my first brooch, not just from Chanel but in general. And ta-da! This is so cute, right? This is basically a little Chanel like classic flap on this little hanger. There's two little pearls on the I don't know what you call those, like the little snaps or whatever on the hanger. That's definitely not what you call it, but it's just so adorable, right? And I never really cared for those kind of like brooches from Chanel that have like the CC logo on it, but this is actually just so adorable because, you know, it's very classic Chanel in terms of having that bag on it, but it's a little bit more whimsical, a little bit more fun. And recently I downloaded this kind of like new social media app. It's new to me in a way. So it's called Little Red Book. It's basically, I would say, like the Chinese version of Instagram. And that's kind of what influenced me to get this, because I saw these photos on there. By the way, my Chinese is not great, so that social media app is also kind of improving my Chinese comprehension skills too. I basically saw there was a lot of people that, not necessarily with this brooch specifically, but they would have a bunch of like smaller Chanel brooches and they would kind of just place them like, I don't want to say like haphazardly, but just a little messily, kind of like on like a blazer or something like that. And I think that looks a lot nicer than just having one giant like CC logo brooch. So I was like, huh, that's interesting. And then since this one just came out, I was like, perfect, I'm going to get this and see how I like it. And I wore this specific blazer or jacket for this video just for this reason, so I could show you guys what it looks like on. And yeah, I just kind of intend on having it pinned on my blazer like this. It's kind of subtle because it's black on black, but it's there, it's Chanel, it's got this cute little bag on it, and I think it's so cute. Just even looking at the screen right now, I think it's so adorable. So yeah, these are all the items that I got for Christmas. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you liked it, please do give this video a thumbs up. And let me know in the comments down below, what did you guys get for Christmas? What was the most special gift you got this year for the holiday season? As much as I really love like the luxury items that I bought, I really appreciate the gifts that my husband got for me, because we used to have like matching couples t-shirts like ages ago when we were much younger than we are now. Yeah, and it's a little bit of like a throwback to kind of like get couples t-shirts again. So I really love those gifts from him. And yeah, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do consider subscribing for new videos every single week on luxury and fashion. And this is going to be my last video of 2022. So I'm wishing you guys a very happy new year, and I will leave 2 videos on the screen for you to watch next. So I'll see you very soon. Bye for now.